following worsening economic condition of the people of the state, especially those displaced who are reeling under tough times owing to the conflict that erupted in the state on May 3rd. Appeals have poured in from the public to halt collections of loans for the time being. Speaking to media at Thangjing Hall in Manipur Press Club today, founder of the Welfare of the Small Business Enterprises cum proprietor of Pauna Food, Paunam Shitaljit, highlighted the difficulties facing the businessmen and entrepreneurs in repaying the loans borrowed from bank and private microfinance amid such tough times. He asserted that the people of the state who are recovering from the implications of COVID-19 pandemic are now battered by the ongoing violence in the state. He asserted that the conflict has severely affected the economy, directly damaging businesses and investment flows, leaving no options to recover from the loss. He drew the attention of the state government towards the untold sufferings of the people and appealed to initiate measures to financing constraints of the weary people of the state.
Loan singing daba loan kopio hyperbagi mom the oina ubiba adumati akoi ubiganu the sing akoisi waraba ngakani akoi hujik lady basi moratorium phang daba adumba loni mayam amasu yauri moratorium si kadobagi phangdrino hai targati magi thibam thokwa khoigi thagi EMI se suna thiba ngam daba hai tare bank loan da mokoisi overdue account oina hai kadobagi mapung phana thiba ngamdrino hai tari corona matam degi सोथरक बदुना मखोइसे खोइगी मपुंग फाना EMI से थीब ngamjadabne मपुंग फाना थीब ngamdrabina 3rd May da moratorium से अमत फंगद्रे लोन से अदुम थीदुना लेरी हाइतारे लानुंगसिदा थीना पैसादुदि सुब ngamdrabnina हौजिक बैंक तगी लीगल नोटिस कया मोर्गेज तौजरुबा लम इंघोन की लौछलनी हाइबा अदुगुम बसी मयाम सी थारक्तुना लेरी ने सिना साकीनी प्रेशर मयाम सी लेरकबदुना अखोइना पबुंग द कोइना लोन कोपियु हाइबसी हाइजरकपनेबा